Hello, welcome to IDD Talks. My name is Anastasia Lavrina and today I have a very special guest, Zaur Hasanov, Deputy Director, Azerbaijan National Academy of Science. Hello and welcome to our program.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. You are one of the participants of a very important conference, Study and Preservation of the Historical and Cultural Heritage of the Turkic World from the Perspectives of UNESCO. So the first question, I want you to tell us about the case studies of successful preservation and conservation efforts in the Turkic world, if there is any.
We can present various examples of such cases in different Turkic countries. For example, in Azerbaijan, I can present one case. We were working, as a head of expedition, we were working in Shiki Khan's Mosque, and there was a project devoted to the restoration of the mosque and parallel archaeological research of the Khan's Mosque. The mosque is enlisted because it's located in the historical part of the city, and this is historical monument. It's enlisted in UNESCO's heritage list. And we had some serious challenges when we were working there, because we were supposed to work exactly according to the book. Our research should be based on the modern methodology, and we were trying to do all of it according to such cases. Because if we make certain mistake, if we demolish some part of the historical monument, if we don't record every information presented there properly, the site can lose its historical and archaeological value, the cultural value. And we did all of that, and after the restoration of the mosque and our archaeological research was finished, we found some very interesting findings there. For example, we found the secret grave of the Muhammad Hussein Khan, who was buried there after the main altar of the mosque, and radiocarbon analysis and genetic analysis at Oxford University and Tartu University proved that the grave belonged to the Muhammad Hussein Khan. It was a unique case that inside the mosque we opened late classical antiquity settlement, which was located there long before the mosque was constructed, and it was restored, and now it's a part of the exhibition and functions as a part of this monument. So this is one example. The second example I can present you, I was participating as archaeological research in Kazakhstan, Altai, on Birel kurgans, and after they are unique because there are very little parallels of these kurgans in the other parts of the world, because many objects were preserved there. For example, wooden objects were preserved because of the very cold weather and ice. And after the excavation finished, under the leadership of Zeynullah Samashev, the site was restored as a museum. And you can see a very unique burial ritual presented there. And once again, it is very important that archaeologists record every detail of architecture of the monument, archaeological monument, of the burial ritual, and everything. Every little bit on information may play very important role in the future reconstructions of the site.
That's for sure. You partially answered my next question about the work on the liberated lands of Azerbaijan. So can you please in details answer my question on how you see your importance of your work there on the liberated lands, if there is any type of partnership with other countries?
I see. Our expedition, international expedition, Azerbaijan, Switzerland, Korean archaeological expedition, works in Fuzuli district. We are excavating kurgan belonging to the Iron Age, first millennium BC, and we excavated a unique burial over there with a very unique ritual. We found the wooden chariot with two bulls carrying it, and two bulls had bronze masks on their head. This is the earliest example of the mask on the head of an animal carrying a chariot. So the dating shows that it belongs to the 8th, 7th century BC. The challenges were to recover wood parts properly from the burial, to open them properly in order to photograph it and to make a 3D digital model of it. Because, as you know, wood can decompose very fast. Sometimes it is not possible to recover it fully. So 3D digital models allow us to preserve this information forever, and it is very popular. For example, I was, when we speaking with Korean colleagues, and when I visited Korea, I saw it is very popular right now to create digital models of the burials or settlements. Even maybe in the future, these digital models may be even more popular than physical reconstructions of the archaeological site. So this is the situation.
Indeed, that's fantastic. That's
Yes.
wonderful job. And I think, and I'm more than sure you think also like this, when you discover something, when you try to present it to UNESCO or to any other organization, you should persuade the global community, the international community, about the importance of the object, the subject you discovered, right?
Yes.
And today within this conference, the participants are trying to understand how to enforce the cooperation between the Organization of Turkic States, between the Turkic worlds and UNESCO.
Yes.
Therefore, where do you see the opportunities? How do you think it's important rightly present the objects all Turkic countries have?
In terms of collaborations, we are working together with our expedition works in Imishli district of Azerbaijan on Araks River, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Turkey archaeological expedition. We will continue our work in 2024. We are excavating kurgan group of Yeditepe and Kızılkent. And in order to, for the archaeological site to be accepted by the global community, you should have serious research published about it. There should be certain time should pass. The archaeological, the research community should accept it. So when UNESCO views your documents, they understand this is serious research, serious sites. There were no mistakes made. The sites was preserved enough. It was not demolished. And only then it can be included in the list. So we have some experience in that area, and we are increasing that experience with Kazakhstan and Turkish colleagues. We are also working in that direction with Korean colleagues, and this work can bring to the success in the future, as I said.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. We wish you good luck.
Thank you.